Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to reset and clear TPMS tire pressure monitor system light. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Now this video is for you in case you have a TPMS light on the instrument cluster and tire pressure is good in all of the tires, and if your TPMS light is blinking. That means if all the sensors are working, you will have to reset and relearn all of the sensors. Okay, so how this works: first you will have to access the tire learn mode, and once you do that, then you will need the TPMS scan tool to relearn each sensor manually. Now sometimes this is doable without the scan tool, just by releasing the air from each of the tires, and that could possibly relearn each of the sensors. That sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't, but usually you will need the scan tool. My Ford Edge has a push button start, so to do this, to enter the tire learn mode, first you will press the brake pedal once, then press the start button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then press the brake pedal once and press this button 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. You will hear the horn beep and you will get the message here: train left front tire, and the TPMS light will start blinking. At this point you should proceed outside with the scanner and start training tires, starting from the front left, front right, rear right, and finish with the rear left. Now to get this scanner, pretty much I'm in Canada, and here you can actually rent it from most of the tire shops. If you don't have the option to do that, you can buy the cheaper one even online, and then you can reuse it on any of the vehicles. Like I said, most likely you will need it. So how this scanner actually works, I will show you that also before I go outside. So I want to select service TPMS and then my make, model and year. So it's a Ford Edge 2015 to 2023, mine is 2020. And now you have two options: service TPMS by OBD to relearn. For that you need a higher end scanner, or manual relearn. Now two options: standard ignition or push button start. Mine is push button start. Now here's the procedure how to get to tire learn mode, which I showed you, and now it's ready. So what I have to do, I have to approach each of the sensors and relearn the sensors, right? So front left, front right, rear right, and rear left. And this has to be done within 2 minutes or something like that, I believe, or it will reset. Okay, so approach front left tire and press scan. Once this is done, this will show you the battery status of the sensor. It will show you the PSI in the tire and things like that. Once done, press OK and proceed to the front right. Same thing. Okay, next one. Okay, and the last one. And that's it. Once you're done, you will get this message: training complete. And now your TPMS light should be off. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.